Hi, today we're going to look at boarding pass and we're going to understand how you can generate boarding pass PDF files with the help of this Google document and a Google sheet that we have created over here. So basically, if you see this Google document boarding pass template, we have created certain elements which has been put inside curly brackets, like the ticket number that you see over here, the flight number, the from address, the class, date, and so on. So all these fields that you see which have been mapped inside double curly brackets on both the side are the exact same elements which we have created as a header row in this Google sheet. So we have put ticket number, flight number, from, class, and everything that we have exactly over here. And whatever is placed inside double curly brackets that we have also created in a Google sheet, it will be automatically mapped with the values corresponding to that, and a PDF file will be generated out of it. So what I mean to say is the ticket number column value that you see will be fetched and replaced onto this field, and we will get the ticket number value and generate a PDF file out of that. Similarly, for all the fields that you see over here which have a corresponding mapping over here, everything will be replaced and a file will be generated. So this will help us automate the process quickly, as we do not need to manually type in all the values every time for repetitive processes. So how exactly will this work? First of all, head over to AutoDocCreator.com. This is the tool which will help you create the automation process. You can click on sign in with Google once you land up here and choose your particular account. So I'm going to go with this account where I have the document and the spreadsheet available. Make sure that you have the edit access to the document and the spreadsheet. Okay, if you are using a shared file, this will not work. So make sure you get the edit access to the document for this process to function. So once you are signed in, you need to load the template. So click on load templates and it will automatically show you the templates available. Choose a particular template. In my case, it is the boarding pass. And I will also load the spreadsheet from here. So boarding pass database. So I've got the template and the database both loaded up. Okay. And you can see it is asking me to go with the sheet selection. So I have only one sheet. So I'll select sheet one and the row export options. So you have multiple options available. So I will export all the rows. You can export odd rows, even rows, range of rows, custom rows, whatever you wish to do. And finally, it is asking us to choose a column which will be used as a reference for the PDF file naming. Okay. So I want to name the PDF file as per the ticket number. So you can see the ticket number column over here. I want to name the file as per that. Okay. You can even choose to select passenger name. So if you select passenger name, it will generate as per passenger name. So let's go with passenger name. Click on start mail merge and it automatically starts the processing. As simple as this. So once the processing is done, you can see all the files get generated one by one. So the first file has been generated, which is Jane Smith. If you see the database, we have the passenger name over here, which is Jane Smith. So the first file is getting downloaded and the subsequent files will keep on getting downloaded and you can watch the files. So all the files have been processed. Let's go to the downloads folder. So first is we have Jane Smith. So you can see the flight number, the ticket number, all the fields have been properly mapped, fetching the information from the database. Okay, all the fields that you typically have in the database have been correctly mapped. So let's check one document. So this is flight number 67890. So let me take you to the database. Sorry, the ticket number 67890. The flight number is CD456, which is showing over here. Okay, from address is Los Angeles. So if you see the address, that is correct, and the date is November 16, which is also correct. So basically it mapped all the elements corresponding to the values that we had created in this Google document. Okay, and if you observe other files, which is Alice Johnson, this is also precisely the same. And if you observe John Doe, this is also precisely the same. So no discrepancies in any file. The only thing you need to understand is all these elements that you put inside are must be placed inside double curly brackets, and the same element must be a part of the header row. Okay, that is how the automation will function. If you have any questions besides this, just go back to the home page, click on contact me, and you can send me an email on this mail ID. I'll be happy to take up your queries with whatever issues you might be having. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.